Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Today we continue course book chapter 8, The Jackal and the Iguana. The Jackal and the Iguana by Flora Annie Steele is a short tale from India. The story shows us how pride comes before a fall. The main characters of the story are Jackal, Iguana, and other animals. So, children, after understanding the story, you practice reading of this chapter and also try to find out the answers. So let's begin the summary of this chapter. In the beginning of this story, the jackal is described as a miserable and half starved animal who is skulking through a village. He finds a worn out pair of shoes in the gutter. They are too tough to eat, so he decides to string them to his ears like earrings. Then he builds a platform of old bones and plasters it over with mud. He demands other animals to pay homage to him before drinking water from the pond. He presents himself to be prince like. This shows how foolish the jackal is. The other animals only abide his demand because they do not wish to argue with him. After the royal tiger also repeats his rhyme in jest, he starts thinking of himself as a person of great importance. So here, Jackal is praising himself and he asks the other animals to repeat this rhyme as a homage. When Iguana comes to drink water, Iguana means big lizard, the jackal asks him to say the rhyme praising himself. The iguana, unlike other animals, uses his cleverness. The iguana requests to allow him to drink the water first so that he can chant the rhyme in a more admirable manner. The iguana drinks for a long time and once done starts moving away from the jackal. Just as he is about to enter the hole, the jackal catches hold of his tail. The iguana again shows presence of mind and tricks him again and disappears up the hole in a twinkling. In his arrogance, the jackal failed to recognize the reality. The iguana used this to his advantage and so was able to fool him. So, children, what do you understand from the story? You can see that how the jackal's pride and arrogance made him blind to the reality. He is always boasting or praising himself. Also, we can see that how the iguana's cleverness helped him save himself from jackal. So, children, as I told you earlier, practice reading of this chapter. Also, learn the word meanings and note down question answers in your copy neatly. That's all today's class. Next class, we will continue our grammar. Thank you.